All right, thanks, Manny, for the introduction to Python tools integration in ISCAP. Let me delve a little deeper on the HDF5 API Python interface in ISCAP, recently introduced in ISCAP 2022 Update 2. Why HDF5 for device modeling? All these nice little icons here kind of summarize it very nicely, but essentially it's ideal for fast I/O processing, storage, high volumes of data, aka device modeling data. HDF5 makes it easy to transfer across the flow to other tools. It's an open source, industry standard tool using the same rules of engagement, Python data structures and data libraries. It can handle multi-dimensional heterogeneous data, and you can keep the metadata with the data, which is nice, which defines how the data is stored. And basically, here's the look at where we are at with regards to current investment. Is the screen bar. There's an open pipe to transfer data between Wafer Pro on-wafer measurement software and ISCAP. And the future, we want to extend that pipe to incorporate MBP and MQA. Right now, there is workarounds. You can link via MDM files and custom PyScripts, but in the future, this is going to get even more easy to transfer across all platforms. Let's see. The other thing is importing data from HDF5 into ISCAP. The API allows you to, Wafer Pro, you can directly export. There's like a flag HDF5 enable true. It's you can see in the appendix. There's also an HDF5 IO class to export directly from Wafer Pro. In ISCAP, it's bidirectional, import and export to big data. We're going to look at that in the demo coming up. The PyPandas data frame allows more efficient filtering, sorting, post-processing. And let's take a look at the demo. We're going to walk through the PyHDF5 demo model in more detail. It'll give you a lot better feel for how this works.